Hi friends, this is Rakesh. Now we are going to see what is hierarchical inheritance and how hierarchical inheritance is being used in Java using some sample program. So I have already explained about single level inheritance and multi-level inheritance in the previous videos. If you haven't watched the videos, please watch it and come to this video because you won't get complete brief context about the hierarchical inheritance if you haven't watched multi-level inheritance and single. So please go and watch those videos and come back to this video. So here there are three classes: class A, class B and class C. Class B and class C are inheriting the values of class A. So class B can inherit the values of class A, class C also can inherit the values of class A. So we can consider real-time example. So class A is your father and class B is you and class C is your sibling. So what you and your sibling is doing is you both are inheriting the properties from your father. So I have replicate the same thing using some basic code. So this is a class father. So this is your father class. Here we have father property value and I have declared using integer data type and access specifier is private. So this is the father class constructor. Here we are sending the father property value and then we are assigning the father property value to this variable, and then we have getter method to return the father property value. And then what we are trying to do is we are trying to create a child class. Child class extends father. So child has the right to access the father properties either directly or indirectly. Since father class has private access specifier for father property value, we means child 1 can't directly access father property value, but child 1 can access father property value using this getter method. And then what we have done is we have declared a child property value. Child has some own property, so child property value, and then we have a constructor for child 1. So here we are passing father property value and then also we are passing child property value, and then we are assigning the father property value using super. I have already explained about super in the previous video. Super points to the parent constructor. For child 1, parent is father, so super points to the father constructor, and then it assigns the father property value, and then this getter method returns the child 1 property value, and this total child property value returns child property value plus father property value by 2. And 2 is some random variable. You can put anything. It depends on the use case. Here I have put 2. So your own property value plus your father property value by 2. And then what I have done is I have created another class called child2, your sibling class. So your sibling class also extends father class. So it has its own property called child property value. So and then what we have done is we have created 2 constructor child2. For child2 also we are passing 2 values, father property value and child property value, and using super keyword we are calling the father class constructor super. So father class constructor and assigning the father property value, and then what we are trying to do is we are setting the child own property value. This method returns the child own property value, and then this method returns the child total property value. Child total property value is calculated using child property value plus father half of the father property value. And then what we are trying to do is we have created objects for father, child 1 and child 2. For father we have sent 1 lakh, and then we have displayed using getter method c+.get father property value. This statement will display 1 lakh value, and then we have created child 1 object, and while creating child 1 object we have sent 1 lakh and 2 lakh. This 1 lakh points to father property value and this 2 lakh points to child 1 property value. So this statement displays 1 lakh, this statement displays 2 lakh, this total child 1 property value displays 2 lakh plus 1 lakh by 2. 1 lakh means father property value by 2 gives 50,000. 2 lakh plus 50,000, 2 lakh 50,000. And then we have created child 2 class. While creating child 2 class, we have sent 1 lakh as father property value, 3 lakh as child 2 property value, and then we have displayed father property value as 1 lakh, child 2 property value would be 3 lakh, child 2 total property value will be 3 lakh plus 1 lakh by 2. 1 lakh by 2 means father property value by 2 gives 50,000. 3 lakh plus 50,000, 3 lakh 50,000. We will try to execute the code and we will try to see the output. 1 lakh, father property value 1 lakh, father property value 1 lakh, child property value, child loan property value 2 lakh. So 2 lakh plus 1 lakh by 2, 2 lakh 50,000, 3 lakh plus 1 lakh by 2, 3 lakh 50,000. So thanks for watching. At the topmost corner you would see the channel icon, so please click on that for subscribing the channel. At the bottommost link you would see the related videos, so please click on that for watching related videos. Thanks for watching again.